This test creates geniuses and AI just beat it. The International Mathematical Olympiad, running since 1959, where 6 problems, 6 students per country, 9 hours of time, no shortcuts, no memorizing of formulas, just you have to invent your own methods to solve. Where in this test, only 8% of the contestants win the gold. And from 65 years past, no machines came closer until this 2024 summer. Google Gemini AI sat with the same 6 problems were handed to the best teenage mathematicians alive. It solved all 6 problems, were given perfect score. But here is the detail nobody is talking about. It didn't use calculator, no search engine, no formula library. It just reasoned like you do. Except it considered hundreds of proof paths simultaneously, where it found where it found the flaw in each one and landed on answers that human are said it's correct. And a former IMO gold medalist, now a professor at Brown, said this changed the game entirely. So I want you to think about what you are good at, what you consider your edge. Is it reasoning? Is it problem solving? Or is it your creativity? Because those were the exact words used by the experts in the 2024 to describe what AI couldn't do. I'm not telling you to panic, I'm telling you to pay attention. The people who win the next decade won't be the ones who competed against AI. They will be the ones who understood it earliest and moved first. Next week, I'm covering the AI now hunting unsolved math problems that have stumped humans for over 100 years, that you will get in the next week. And you will, if you subscribe, you will be there in those videos. And thank you for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to share and subscribe.